Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today I teach you types of friction. In previous classes, I also discussed the topic of friction. It is opposes the force, that is opposes the motion, that is C2, that is friction. Today I discuss the types of friction. In these topics, increasing and reducing the friction, lubricants will reduce friction, that is rolling friction and sliding friction. So today, when increase of motion, increase of speed, which places increase the speed of object, where the object increase the speed when friction is less. So a speed of object is very fast. So move without the obstruct any object, obstacle of that opposes his motion, that is C2 friction. Means opposite of motion, that is move this side, then opposite of friction this side. So that is the opposite of friction. If obstacle is less, means that is the smooth surface. Means obstacle means less, smooth, when a smooth surface where not presence of obstacle, so move very fast. If play a game of carom board, the striker move, if force a strike on a striker, then his move slow, then you what's done on the playing games, you talcum powder on the board. So that level of the surface is smooth because the roughness, which places on the roughness of that places the talcum powder are filled. So that is not opposite of the striker, means less opposite of the striker, means less friction are generated on the striker on the and board. So if you talcum powder are spread on the carom board, then a striker on the force applied, then move very fast. So that is the example of friction and moving of a striker. Same things like in vehicle transport, if wheel and contact with road surface, the very less obstacle, that is roughness. If that is the smooth surface, the vehicle and transport are moved very fast, so less friction is generated. When obstacle and breaker are ahead, that is the force or motion, that is the slow. When applied on the carom board, the roughness is more, than a striker move not very fast, it is very slow move. When talcum powder are spread on side, then move very fast. That is the increasing and reducing of friction. When a smoothness is large, then increasing of motion is large. When a smoothness is less, so reducing of smoothness is less, then increasing of friction more. Means increase of friction, then a smoothness is less, means roughness is zyada more, so that is the more friction is applied. If in a vehicle rotation, then usage of lubricants. When you pedal on a bicycle, then usage of lubricant to your bicycle is very easily to move forward direction, because the contact between teeth and gear. So that is the lubricant through, the smoothness of that surface, so that is applied less force to move forward direction, means more lubricant to, that is the friction is less is present. That is the lubrication usage of mobile oil and grease also in vehicle and any machinery things. Next again, wheel reduce friction when contact of road and wheel, that is the roughness is less than smoothness is more, then friction is less. When smoothness is less, that is roughness is more, then friction applied or more. In rolling friction, when our transport wheel, that type of transport wheel, that is the road, and that is the wheel. So if the surface is smooth, then it is moved fast. But that surface, another case, in that surface, that is the zigzag, means more roughness. So that is move slow, because the friction applied of this direction, force applied on this direction. So that is the, if roughness is more, so wheel is move very slow, so friction is more. Then that is a smooth surface, then force is more, so friction is less. In the rolling friction and sliding friction, it is depend on the contact area. When the contact between surface and that object is less, then sliding more. When contact area is increases, when these types, if a bag carry bag, then that is the carry bag, these types, that is you push off that direction, the contact area is large, that is the contact area is more, then applied more force because more friction is generated. But in this case, this trolley bag, that is these types, applied a wheel, so contact area is less, because wheel contact area is very small, so friction is very less, so less friction and less force applied, then move very fast. And these types of object put on the sliding side, so that is the ball bearing and sliding wheel, these types the less friction are generated between, when contact surface area between the object and that surface is less, so less friction is applied. Contact between that wheel and contact area is large, then more friction is applied. So these topic are the rolling friction and sliding friction. It is depend on the contact of surface and that object. Okay, thank you.